I do the profiling of the questions that have been asked in your mains examination for GS, the various sections have been geomorphology, ocean, climate. There have been questions from the environment also. So if I'm just thinking of the questions that they are asking, the topics that they are asking, you have geomorphology, we have climate-based questions. There have been questions from the ocean. If you look into geomorphology, the questions mostly are from the plate tectonics and the interaction of the plates leading to volcanism, the profile. Circum-Pacific belt pe question pucha hai, earthquake pe question pucha hua. So generally, this is around your plate tectonics. Landslides pe bhi question aaya hai. They've asked a question on the landslide 3 times. They've asked a question on Himalayas versus Western Ghats. They've asked तो तीन बार लैंडस्लाइड पे क्वेश्चन पूछा है हिमालयस और वेस्टर्न घाट का, बस अलग अलग फॉर्म में. हिमालयस में ज्यादा क्यों है, हिमालयस और वेस्टर्न घाट के इसको कंपेयर कॉन्ट्रास्ट करो, तो 3 बार सेम टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चन बट ओनली द लैंग्वेज हैव बीन चेंज्ड. दैट इज अबाउट योर जियोमॉर्फोलॉजी. इफ आई टेक इनटू कंसीडरेशन क्लाइमेट, इन क्लाइमेट दे हैव आस्क्ड क्वेश्चन मोस्टली ऑन द क्लाइमेट चेंज एंड द melting of the ice sheets and the climate change related. From ocean, they have asked from climate, they've also asked one question on the air mass and the interaction of the air mass. So that the question have been asked, the air mass and the other question have been asked. If I take into consideration ocean, they have asked a question on ocean currents twice, rather thrice. Ocean current के formation में 2015 में question पूछा है, 2020 में पूछा और 2022 में भी पूछा है कि ocean currents की क्या factors हैं, the forming factors, and they've also asked on the effect of this on the fishing industry. इस पे question पूछा हुआ है, fishing industry पे क्या effect होता है because of the ocean currents. They've asked a question on water mass. Water mass पे question पूछ लिया GS में, ठीक है. They've asked a question on water mass. This is about your main. If I take into consideration the other section, which actually overlaps with your GS society. So in your society, if you look into GS paper 1, the society aspect, the society topic, there is a topic called as population and associated issues. The population and the associated issues. There is a topic called as urbanization and the associated issues. ये दोनों society के topics हैं. GS paper 1, society topics. If you look at the topics of society, the topics of society are communalism, regionalism. There is secularism पे question पूछा हुआ है, caste पे question पूछा हुआ है, family पे question पूछा है, the effect of globalization on Indian society. That is also one more topic, and 2 more topics of society, which is your population and associated issues, and also the urbanization. This has an overlap with your geography. ठीक है, if you have read about geography optional, तो भी पता होगा कि urbanization भी part है geography का, और your population and associated issues are also a part of your geography. So geography students, they have some bit of advantage, but then we try to mitigate that advantage and just try to solve some of the questions from urbanization, from population and associated issues. One important topic that is asked in your GS paper 1 is world resources and world industries. The question from world resources and world industry. They've also asked a question related to agriculture and interlinkage of rivers. Interlinking of rivers have been asked. So you should know about the agriculture and interlinking of rivers. Twice they have asked a question on the interlinking of rivers. That how interlinking of rivers can actually help in tackling floods and droughts, and how interlinking of rivers can also help in navigation. ये भी उन्होंने क्वेश्चन पूछा हुआ है. Interlinking of rivers they've asked twice. If I take into consideration world industries, in world industries they have asked question on steel, iron and steel industries and cotton industries. I believe इतना आपको पता होगा कि iron and steel industry और cotton industry, you would have some fair idea about it. If I sugar industry also, yes, iron and steel industry, sugar industry, cotton industry, the cotton industry. ठीक है. Apart from this, it is also important कि आपको दूसरी industries के बारे में भी पता हो. अच्छा, they have asked a question on the industries based on local manufacturing. ये question पूछा था that industry based on local manufacturing can help in providing good livelihood opportunities. जो local resource based manufacturing है, the resource-based manufacturing, local resource-based industries or resource-based manufacturing, they can help in generation of livelihood opportunities. तो ऐसे क्वेश्चंस भी पूछ रहा है जिसका थीम एक नहीं है, अनेक थीम है. रिसोर्स, लोकल रिसोर्स तो कुछ भी हो सकता है. सो दैट टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चंस वी शुड बी प्रिपेयर्ड.